Am I in focus? Okay. All right. 3, 2, 1. Well, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to do a tool review. This is really intended to go on my website so people will have some information, can see it when they want to order my system. So I want to talk about all the features and benefits of the system. One of the important things that I considered when I designed this is that I wanted it to be made in USA in all US parts. Let's talk a minute about my swivel assembly. A very, very important component to my hollowing system. First of all, you have an infinite range of motion to move it. You can swivel it around wherever you want it, especially with the carbide cutter. It's important. But the dedicated cutters that don't have a swivel can reach a lot of things, but there's that one spot you can't quite reach and drive you crazy. So with the swivel, we have an infinite range of motion. My system has 3 reach capabilities. The straight in that's in here now. It has I have also a little bent shaft swivel assembly, and on the other end of the boring bar there's a 45-degree angle hole. The capabilities, you've got a straight in, a little bend, and a big bend, so that you can reach any shape that you want. You don't have to come back and buy 2 or 3 different boring bars and things. The system will reach any shape. See the information to contact my sponsors, Thompson Tools, Hunter Tools, and Starbond Adhesives. It's in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe on your way out. So we'll see you next time.